Network Entertainment.
Allow me to ask you one question. When it comes to money, clear ka ba talaga or busy ka lang? Maybe busy ka sa trabaho, busy ka sa pagbabayad ng bills, busy ka sa pag-iipon ng extra, pero actually hanggang ngayon wala pa rin nangyari. So in this episode, we are going to talk about on how you can really create financial clarity before financial growth.
Hi, I'm Chinkitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to Chink Positive, your favorite podcast. Before we start anything, I just want to ask you this question. Do you know what you are really looking for at the first place? Because it's so hard to look for something if you do not know what you're looking for. May nakausap ako sa OFW dati. Malaki ang kanyang kita, consistent naman ang kanyang padala. Sa labas, she looks good, but deep inside, she is really suffering. And I asked her one question, may ipon ka na ba? Sabi niya, meron. May investment ka ba? Meron daw. Then I asked her one question that really caught her attention. Ito ba talaga ang gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo? And then bigla na siyang tumahimik. And then after a few seconds, then she honestly answered and told me, actually, hindi po. Kaya nga tatanungin kita, kapag may tapat ka na desisyon na ginagawa mo ngayon, ito bang ginagawa mo ngayon ay tapat ba or talagang ginagawa mo lang dahil kailangan mo? And this is what I really observed. You're moving, you have effort, but you are not achieving really the target that you want to hit. Kaya pag tinanong mo siya na mas malalim, sapat na ba talaga to o kulang pa? Ano ba talaga ang priority mo? Hindi makasagot ang ibang tao. Because, you know what? They're moving, but they're not actually living. They're alive, but they do not have life. And then the question is, how can we really avoid this? Actually, sometimes, what you really need is not about money. Ang kulang talaga sa'yo is clarity. Kapag malinaw, mapapansin mo to Alam mo kung nasaan ka ngayon, alam mo kung ano gusto mong marating, alam mo kung anong ginagawa mo at bakit mo ginagawa. Alam mo kapag wala yan, kahit dumami ang pagpasok ng pera, you may achieve some success in your life. But you know what? The more that you are confused, the more you have, the more you feel empty. And I want you to ask yourself quietly, alam mo ba kung ano ang role ng pera mo? Do you know what's the purpose of your money? It's not only to provide, but also to fulfill a calling and a purpose. And I do believe that money should also serve its purpose. And that's the reason why if you're pursuing money right now, and then you feel na parang, bakit kulang pa? Alam mo, kulang mo hindi pera. What you really need is clarity. Financial clarity always comes before financial growth. Bago pa yung tinatawag natin financial goal na gusto mo, kailangan malinaw muna. Bago dagdag income, direction muna. And once everything is clear, the easier that you can make your financial decision. But once it doesn't have clarity, the more you are confused. And this is the missing link for most people, especially when you are confused right now. Ang tanong na lang siguro, Chinky, paano ba magkaroon ng clarity? Okay, these are the 3 simple questions that you need to ask. Number 1, where are you financially right now? Okay, ano ba yung financial situation mo? Are you good? Are you better? Or are you at your worst situation? That's the first important thing that you need to ask. The second is the season. Anong season na ng buhay mo? Are you in the season of learning? Are you in the season of earning? Are you in the season of accumulating? Or are you in the season of what? Investing or retiring? Diba? Tanungin mo, anong season mo ngayon? And then the third question that you need to ask yourself, what is one thing that you need to fix, improve in your financial situation in order for you to hit your financial target? I'm not saying that you need to fix everything, pero kailangan mo lang na may malinaw ka lang na guide. Uulitin ko. Number 1, where are you right now? Nasaan ka? Number 2, nasaang season ka na? Number 3, ano kailangan mong ihinto ng mga bad money habits that's really not helping you? Kaya kung ang pakiramdam mo, honestly, kung pagod ka na sa kakaisip ng pera, in reality, hindi ka pagod. Confused ka lang. So again, the first step in order for you to really fix your financial situation right now is not more money, but you need more clarity. In the next episode also, we're going to help you into good financial decisions so that you won't be confused. Again, I hope that you'll be reminded, number one, financial clarity always comes before financial growth. Being busy with money doesn't mean you say that you're achieving success. You need to have clarity before you take any action. My question for you today in this episode is this. Clear ka ba sa financial direction mo? Clear ka ba sa financial goal mo? Or busy ka lang na wala kang na-achieve? So guys, if you like this episode, I would like you to save this episode or share it with someone you feel that they are financially confused. Thank you very much for tuning in. As I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.